Remember when I was riding this by myself? Now we're gonna be riding a bicycle.
Oh, you gonna show them you know how to ride a bicycle now?
Yeah, right there.
Okay. Hey, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. This man, ever since he learned how to ride the 50, bro, without training wheels, this man, like, out of nowhere started riding a bicycle, bro. The man ain't even know how to ride a bicycle at first, bro. Now he know how to ride a bicycle ever since he rode that 50, bro, with no training wheels. This man is riding a bicycle, y'all. I swear to God.
It's making it slow. Can I go on the seat?
Back into the grass. Left turn.
What?
That's crazy, man. Hanging out. Woo!
I did it.
So now, you finna show them how to, this is part 2 of riding the dirt bike. The
Yes.
50. All right, this is part 2.
Mama, I need to make it freaking down.
There you go, good job. There you go.
I want to do a wheelie.
So you wanna do a wheelie, y'all.
Yeah,
You doing good, go ahead, you doing good.
do it.
There you go. Perfect. Woo!
Oh,
You doing good, man. There you go. Perfect. Yes, sir. Good job, you got it.
there was something that
Woo! Woo! And this is day 2, man. Day 2, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, he doing good, dog. He doing real good. And this is by itself. I'm not even chasing after him. Yeah. Yeah, definitely need boots. Woo! He doing good.
He's putting his legs down too early.
Yeah, you gotta hit them brakes, man. Make sure you hit the brakes. So what we doing over here, man? You like you doing something over here. You teach him how to ride the bicycle.
Yeah, he wants to learn how to ride the bicycle. Oh, you gotta use your feet.
go get the mini bike and go up and down with him a few times. But what you trying to do, man? You trying to learn how to ride the bicycle, man?
Yeah, I'm gonna learn how to ride without training.
Oh, so you gonna learn how to ride without training wheels too? Hey, what you think? We should teach him on the 50? Hole shot. Woo! Just did a hole shot, y'all. Yeah. This day number 2, man. This day number 2, y'all. Yeah, he's shifting that gear now.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's shifting those gears real good.
He just got to work on slowing down.
Bro, yeah, he kind of scared me right there, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, the man, I feel like he was doing like 40, bro.
Come on.
Yeah, that kind of scared me. I'm not even gonna lie to you.
Yeah, he was going pretty quick. And the thing is, he puts his feet down because he's so used to the pedal bike.
Yeah, he got to stop putting the feet down like that, man.
We got to work on his brake.
Yeah, I'm trying to tell him that down there.
Next lesson got to be brake work. Because he got the riding part down.
Yeah, he got it quick too.
He just got to learn that brake control.
That's it.
His instinct got to tell him to step on the brake.
Every time, right.
Come right here.
Woo!
Use the brakes, Papi.
I did.
Alright, turn it off real quick.
Okay.
Put the kickstand. It's over here on this side. Turn it. Oh.
How did that feel, bro?
Good.
So what problems do you feel like? Do you feel like you got any questions for me? Like anything else that I need to?
Like, when there's woods, I try to like slow down and like it like goes flying and like I feel like I'm gonna fly and fall.
So it kind of be bumpy when you go over the woods? Like it kind of like feel like the bike is...
I go like...
Maybe it's the tires.
Yeah, y'all ain't gonna lie. We're gonna put them dirt tires on here though, man. Cause as y'all can see, a
No,
lot of y'all...
the wood, like that wood is big and then like every time I go there, I go like...
a hill almost with them.
Yeah, but remember, we got a fresh set of knobbies inside.
Yeah, man. So for a lot of y'all who in the comments keep saying like, oh yeah, he got street tires on it. The street tires not for the dirt. That's what the dirt bike for. Bro, we got knobbies, bro. We just gotta slap him on, y'all. That's it.
Yeah,
and we gonna slap him on. You know what I'm saying? So he can start doing those wheelies that he want to do. Yeah. But do you got any questions?
I want to race him again.
You want to race him again? It was fun, wasn't it?
I want to.
See, I told you it'd be fun. Because now we can ride together. You feel me? He can ride the 50, and I can be riding on side of a mini bike. But we got to get him right, though, man. We got to teach him how to ride.
I want to get up to 30 subscribers so that I can celebrate.
Oh, yeah. Please get us 30 subscribers today, bro, so we can celebrate. You know what I'm saying? We just need what? He had 27. We just need 3 more subscribers.
3 more.
3 more, y'all. That's it. But, yeah, man, we pretty much, you know, y'all, this is day number 2, man. Day number 2. So, talk to him, man.
What do you want to say to your subscribers?
It's the viewers.
The viewers. What do you want to say to your viewers?
To like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.